soul's melody. From Amritsar to the hills so wide, Punjab lives with unstoppable pride. Oh, this is the heartbeat of Punjab. In every drum, in every laugh, with dancing feet and stories old, our spirit shines in green and gold. Lassie in hand, with hearts so warm, brave like lions, we weather the storm. Voices strong and dreams that fly under the fire of the sunset sky. Yes, this is the heartbeat of Punjab, bold and bright like a shining star, where love and legacy never fade, and every beat a history made. Yes, this is the heartbeat of Punjab, bold and bright like a shining star, where love and legacy never fade, and every beat a history made.